Hey everyone, welcome back to Breakfast Around the World. Today we're taking a trip to the land of the rising sun for a breakfast adventure. Join us as we dive into the world of Japanese cuisine and discover some seriously delicious morning meals. Japanese breakfasts are known for their simplicity, balance, and nutritional value. Unlike some Western breakfasts, they're not all about greasy bacon and pancakes. Instead, think fresh, flavorful, and healthy. One of the most iconic Japanese breakfast foods is miso soup. It's a comforting broth made with fermented soybeans, miso paste, and often featuring tofu, seaweed, or scallions. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. Next up, we have gohan. It's simply steamed rice, but it's a staple in Japanese cuisine. You can eat it on its own or pair it with other dishes. For a protein boost, you can't go wrong with grilled fish. Salmon, mackerel, or other fish are grilled to perfection and served with a squeeze of lemon. If you're feeling adventurous, try natto. It's fermented soybeans that have a strong, pungent smell, but it's actually quite delicious. Trust me, it's an acquired taste, but it's worth trying. And let's not forget about the tamagoyaki. It's a rolled omelet made with seasoned eggs, often served with a sweet and savory flavor profile. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Japanese breakfasts. Whether you're a fan of traditional cuisine or simply looking for something new to try, these dishes are sure to satisfy. Thanks for joining us on this culinary journey through Japan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Breakfast Around the World. See you at the next stop.